Good morning from the Gambia, y'all. It is Monday morning. I'm editing videos from Sunday, and I'm looking at my ceiling. See my little light hanging from my bed, but that's my view. Look like some little moth thing got in here. Probably came in, snuck in through the door, y'all. I didn't even see it. It's like you can see some things when you turn on the light that you never saw before. But little creatures in nature just get into your room and you don't even see them. But look how my ceiling looks, y'all. It's like this is the middle of the ceiling right there. That's over my bed. So what does that do if it's something special about being in a room that's round? I don't know. I just wanted to see what it looked like a little bit without that light. It seemed like the light brought on this moth and all. Look and see how it looks without that spotlight. But there's my curtain from the natural lighting. I'm definitely going to be looking at this. I don't want to remember the birds singing in the morning. Some of the birds sing in the morning, and you don't hear them again till late in the evening, and it's a different song.